In this video, we are going to see that if you are stuck on a blank or a gray screen on Discord and it's not processing further, here's a quick solution for you. Just remember guys that this can be because of multiple issues in Discord. So first of all, what I recommend you to uninstall this completely and then reinstall this. And don't worry, this is a practical solution because you will not even need to re-log in and it will only take a few seconds to do. So just close this, go to add or remove programs directly from here in the system settings and search for Discord, or just scroll down. Let's search for it. Here is one. Let's uninstall this, click on uninstall again. And now just to confirm that, just write here Discord again, and it should not appear in the search list. And just close out of here. I recommend you to restart your computer before installing it again. And even though if we already have a setup, let me just go to the downloads. And as you can see, we already had 2 setups, even 3 setups here. Let's delete all of these because I want to get a fresher copy of this. So let's go to Discord, download. Just go to Google in any of your favorite browser, doesn't matter. And even just write Discord here, just go to the download section, click on download for Windows. If it shows page not found for the first time, don't worry. Here it is, the option again. Click on download here, or even you can scroll down and click from here, Windows, download for Windows. And now you can see it is successfully downloading. Let's click on open. Let's go to the folder, access it from here, click run. And as you can see, it's showing that it's checking for the updates. So just wait for it to happen. It's downloading all the updates and hopefully this should resolve the problem. It's installing the latest updates. And as you can see, now we are back into the main screen. I didn't even log in again. And it only took few minutes to remove and then reinstall that. But hopefully that should easily resolve your problem of the blank screen or gray screen. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.